Alixandria Ciccone, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to sharpen a saw. So I have two separate things of wood here holding my saw in place, and it's very important to have a sharp saw. So I'm going to hold the handle right here with my left hand, and I'm going to make sure it stays in place. And I'm going to start right here with my filer, and I'm just going to go in between each one. So doing each one of these is very important. So obviously this process takes a very long time, so that is how you sharpen a saw.